Hi, this is Ghian, Sales Executive of Isuzu Gencars at Pablo. And this is the 2022 All-New Isuzu UX. It is powered by RZ4E engine that produces 150 PS and 350 Nm of torque. It is capable of having up to 800 mm wading depth because the air intake is placed over here. Over here is the electronic variable geometry system or VGS turbo. Equipped with bi-LED projector headlamps with signature arrow design daytime running lamps. Tire size is 265 by 60 in 18 inches diameter. Side view mirrors with integrated signal lamps, side step boards, and roof rails that is capable of loading up to 100 kilograms. Let's go to the driver's side. The steering wheel, tilt and telescopic. Powered by manual transmission, 6-speed with reverse lockout. Electronic parking brake with auto hold. And the 10.1-inch head unit equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Equipped with 12 cup holders, this one can also be used as storage compartment. Now let's go to the second row seat. I'm 5'7", let's see how I fit inside. This is the large grab handle. This is the actual legroom, headroom, and shoulder room. We have here the center armrest with 2 cup holders, 2 USB ports for your phone, additional pocket while your phone is charging, additional hook that can hold up to 4 kilograms for your extra cargo. We have here the independent aircon vents, blower adjuster, and interior lights. The material used on our door trim is plastic combined with fabric with 1 tweeter and 1 speaker. To access the third row seat, you have to pull this to fold and tumble. You can now recline the third row seat for your additional comfort. We are now here at the rear part of the all-new Isuzu UX. This is the high mount stop lamp, rear wiper, 3D winglet rear combination lamp, 4-eyed reverse sensors, day and night reverse camera. This is the reverse lamp and this is the tow hook. To open the rear door, you have to press the button here. It offers large cargo capacity for staff. Just pull this. With additional partition for other small things like umbrella, shoes, and other small stuffs. This is where you can access your standard tools and bottle jack. This hook is a provision if you want to put extra cargo net, additional interior lights, 12-volt socket for your tire inflator and other 12 volts accessories. Now let's go to the passenger side. This is the tweeter, speaker, additional compartment, additional cup holder, Center armrest, 12-volt socket, auxiliary and USB ports. Sun visor integrated with mirror. That's all for now. This is Ghian Lopez of Isuzu Gencars and Pablo. If you want to know more, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.